You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to use two Apple IDs on one iPhone. You can use one Apple ID for iCloud services and a different one for media purchases. First, open the Settings app at the very top. Tap your name to access your Apple ID settings for iCloud. This ID manages your contacts, photos, and device backups. 2. Add a second Apple ID for the App Store and iTunes. Scroll down and tap on Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out to log out of the current media ID. Then tap Sign In and enter the credentials for your second Apple ID. Confirm by tapping Sign In. You are now using your second Apple ID for all new purchases and subscriptions in the App Store. Apple Music and iTunes. Your iCloud data, like mail and notes, remains tied to the first ID. To switch between media accounts later, go back to Settings, Media and Purchases, and tap Sign Out and Sign In again. You cannot merge purchases from two IDs, but you can access content bought with either by signing into the respective account. For family sharing, note that the Family Organizer's ID is the primary one used for purchases. This setup allows you two separate person-alike cloud data from a shared family purchase account. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.